guys, and welcome to Cooking with Katie. First step to cooking with Katie is putting your hair up. Washing your hands. Step 3. Okay, so step 3 is getting supplies. You will need, for this work masterpiece, I should say, orange juice. It doesn't matter what brand. Special K. Doesn't matter what brand. That made no sense. A dash of sugar. And yes, I measured it to a dash. A stirring stick. A plate. A little extra sugar. And a mixing cup. Okay, step 4. Here we go. You take the mixing cup. Okay, you take the mixing cup. Sorry, had to fix my camera. And first things first, you add the orange juice. Perfect. Step 5. I think add some Special K, but not too much. And then you will gently close the Special K. Now you begin mixing. Look how amazing this is. It's all orange and fantastic. It is great. It really is. You just keep mixing from... Now that you made your batter, put it in the microwave. For how long? Oh, I should check. Oopsie, you don't put plastic in the microwave. I'll be right back. That's okay. Now, we do this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was off count. That's okay. Ow. I am a clumsy cook. Ow. And if it's burning your fingers, ow. Now you mix it. Okay, here comes the batter. Hold on. Look at that. Now, you take this and form it into an egg. Okay, so now we're going to insert this egg-looking thing into the oven. That's okay if you use paper in the oven. It won't burn. Just 5 more minutes. Now's the time to see what we made a concoction of. Let's see. A chocolate egg? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. There was 2 plates in here. I don't know what that one was. Oh, so good. So good.